Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Habib Maritime School. In this video I will discuss Marpol New Amendments 2024. Let's get started. From January 1, 2024 only one amendment came into force. And that is Marpol Annex I in relation to watertight doors. From May 1, 2024 5 amendments came into force. No. 1. Mediterranean Sea Emission Control Area for Sulfur Oxides and Particular Matter, designation of Mediterranean Sea, as a whole, as an emission control area for sulfur oxides and particular matter, under Marpol Annex 6. In such an emission control area, the limit for sulfur in fuel oil used on board ships is 0.1% mass by mass, m/m, while outside these areas the limit is 0.5% m/m. No. 2. Mandatory garbage record books for smaller ships. Amendments to Marpol Annex V to make the garbage record book mandatory also for ships of 100 gross tonnage and above and less than 400 gross tonnage. This extends the requirement for mandatory garbage record books to smaller ships, which will be required to keep records of their garbage handling operations, namely discharges to a reception facility ashore or to other ships, garbage incineration, permitted discharges of garbage into the sea, and accidental or other exceptional discharged or loss of garbage into the sea. The move supports implementation of IMO's strategy and action plan to address marine plastic litter from ships. No. 3. Protecting seas in the Arctic. Regional arrangements for port reception facilities. Amendments to the Marpol annexes to allow states with ports in the Arctic region to enter into regional arrangements for port reception facilities. The amendments relate to Marpol Annexes I, oil, 2, noxious liquid substances, 4, sewage, v, garbage, and 6, air pollution. No. 4, EEXI, CII and rating values. Amendments to Appendix 9 of Marpol Annex 6 on the reporting of mandatory values related to the implementation of the IMO short-term GHG reduction measure, including attained EEXI, CII, and rating values to the IMO Ship Fuel Oil Consumption Database, IMO DCS. No. 5, Fuel Flashpoint in Bunker Delivery Note. Amendments to Appendix V of Marpol Annex 6, to include flashpoint of fuel oil or a statement that the flashpoint has been measured at or above 70 degrees C as mandatory information in the Bunker Delivery Note, BDN. From July 1, 2024 only one amendment came into force. And that is entry into effect of amendments to Marpol Annex I, addition of a new Regulation 43A, to introduce a prohibition on the use and carriage for use as fuel of heavy fuel oil, HFO, by ships in Arctic waters on and after July 1, 2024. The prohibition will cover the use and carriage for use as fuel of oils having a density at 15 degrees Celsius higher than 900 kilograms per cubic meter or a kinematic viscosity at 50 degrees Celsius higher than 180 mm2/s. Ships engaged in securing the safety of ships, or in search and rescue operations, and ships dedicated to oil spill preparedness and response would be exempted. Ships which meet certain construction standards with regard to oil fuel tank protection would need to comply on and after July 1, 2029. A party to Marpol with a coastline bordering Arctic waters may temporarily waive the requirements for ships flying its flag while operating in waters subject to that party's sovereignty or jurisdiction, up to July 1, 2029.